Skyway Classics YouTube channel. This is Nyla. Today I have a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. Beautiful, beautiful silver paint job. And it has the removable hardtop, which is really cool. So you get the convertible feel. It is super, super easy, super light. I removed it all by myself and just sat it here in the grass. And even the hardtop is in really, really good condition. No scratches, no scrapes. Doing a quick little walk around for you. Show you the interior. It's got the gray leather. It is an automatic transmission. 5.7 liter. I think there is 54,000 miles on it, so pretty low mileage in very, very good condition. Let's get that engine started. Alright, got the engine started up. These newer Corvettes, super, super lightweight hoods. Some of them when they were older, they were very heavy, but this is a 2000, so it's got a nice light hood. Nice, quiet, clean engine. Super quiet. Got the pipes out the back, sounding good. Alright, let's take it for a ride. Inside the 2000, 54,712. It's low mileage for a 2000. I do have the removable top off. It is a beautiful day here in Sarasota. It's about 65, 62, something like that. Sunny. As you can hear, the seatbelt alarm does work. Let's get buckled up here. Taking the curb nice and slow. These cars ride very, very low. Just gotta be real careful. All right, and we're off. Gotta love the handling of a Corvette. Take this turn up here. Steering is nice and tight. Get us some speed. Perfect gear changing. Transmission feels good. Sounds good. Brake check. No hands. Beautiful. Straight and narrow. And super strong. Solid, solid car. This is a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. I'm going to get it up on the hoist and we'll take a look at the underneath.